Welcome to the Rusted Garden Homestead. These bumps are perfectly normal. Here's the full explanation from a video originally on my other channel, My First Vegetable Garden. Welcome to My First Vegetable Garden. Today I just want to show you real quick what these little bumps, nodes, all along the tomato stems are. Number one, they're nothing to worry about. Perfectly normal. We're using these indoor transplants as examples, but this usually happens to tomato plants outside. And you can see the bumps right on the stem. Those are nodes. It's normal when it's humid, when it's been raining, it's warm. The tomato plants outside will get all these bumps all over it. It looks like an alien disease. These are just possible future places for roots to come out. So if you look in closely down here, you can see roots are coming out, going into the ground. Same thing right down there. So anytime you see these hair-like growths coming out, the bumps, perfectly normal, nothing to worry about. And at times too, you may see purple stems, that's normal, but you're going to see, make sure I get it into focus, all these little hairs growing on the tomato plant. That means you have a nice healthy plant. Don't worry about the hairs, the nodes, the bumps, any purpling down here at the stem. Perfectly normal, nothing to worry about. It doesn't happen often with your plants indoors. These are 9 weeks old. They've been in here for too long. They're for an experiment. Please follow me in 2024. I'll teach you how to grow tomato and pepper plants, how to manage pests and disease. In my next video, I'm going to show you how to start onions indoors for about 8 weeks and have perfect transplants to go out in the garden come May 1st. But anytime you see these bumps along the vines of your tomato plant, absolutely nothing to worry about. Perfectly normal. It's just nature doing its thing, and a tomato plant wants to send out more roots. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe, and I'll help teach you how to grow food and have some fun. Thanks for watching.